So there have been two big eyeliner releases in the beauty world recently, and that is the Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner and the Benefit roller liner. So I will actually be putting both of them on. As you can see right now, I have the roller liner on this side and the Better Than Sex on this side. And I'm going to show you everything from the application, which one was easier, to how they both wore throughout the day and which one wore better and which one is actually worth your money. So let's get right into it. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I missed an upload last week, but I was traveling. You get kind of out of the groove whenever you're traveling. I tried so hard to film before I actually had to leave, but then like 2 of my flights got canceled. Like so many things happened. Also, it's a hair wash day, so that's why I'm up in a ball cap. Yes, ball cap. So here I have the ever so loved Better Than Sex eyeliner and the new Benefit roller eyeliner. Now I have only swatched both of these in store. I have not even opened or worn either one of these. As far as I know, the roller liner is a felt tip, but the Better Than Sex liner is actually, it's the individual fiber. It's like a little brush. It's like the Kat Von D one, not the ink liner, but the tattoo liner. I'm going to apply the Better Than Sex liner with a wing on this side and then the roller eyeliner with a wing on this side. All right, so let me grab a mirror here. All right, I'm gonna take my hat off, but remember, it's hair wash day, so no judgment allowed. Okay, so let's just apply this guy. Tickles. So on the Sephora website, it actually retails for $21. Under the What It Is section, it says a cutting edge liquid eyeliner that's the easiest you'll ever use. Created to produce a sharp, fluid, smudge-proof line every time. Free of parabens and phthalates, this product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And it does claim to be waterproof as well, so that's a big thing. I don't know if the Benefit one claims to be waterproof. Okay. So that was literally a dream. So perfect to apply. Whenever it first touched my eye, I thought that it was going to be really watery and not very opaque, but then the more I used it, it was perfectly fine. Like it layered perfectly fine and everything in between. It was super easy to get a nice sharp wing. The wing got a little bit longer than I planned it to, but you know. So let's break into this roller liner. So this one is more of a felt tip, so I am a little bit concerned that I'm not gonna be able to get as sharp of a wing, because that's just usually my experience with the felt tip, is that you just can't get it quite as sharp as you can with the little tiny bristles on the dual fiber brushes or whatever they're called. But I really like the way this one's swatched in store, and I think this one is actually gonna be more matte than the Better Than Sex one, so let's see. So the Benefit roller liner retails for $22, so it's $1 more than the Better Than Sex liner. And it does actually claim to be waterproof as well, at least on the Sephora app. Under the What It Is section, it says a true matte liquid eyeliner that glides on smooth and precise lines. Perfect for creating any look from a thin line to a dramatic cat eye. Under the What Else You Need to Know, it says a roller liner waterproof liquid eyeliner features an easy glide precision felt tip for sharp controlled lines and a super smooth application. The quick dry waterproof formula lasts up to 24 hours and won't fade, flake, bleed, or smudge. Okay, so in terms of application, the Better Than Sex eyeliner, I felt like it was just a little bit easier to apply because the bend in the bristles, I feel like maybe I'm just used to it, but I feel like it gives me a lot more control and allows me to connect all the little tiny details and the fine lines. If you're a liner perfectionist, which I think most people are, I just feel like I have a lot better control and I can be a lot more precise with this guy. With this guy, the felt tip is definitely far more stiff than this guy. Some people like the stiffness a little bit better. Some people don't like the tip to be too flimsy because then they feel like they can lose control, which there's definitely like a good balance. Like you don't want it to be too stiff, you don't want it to be too flimsy, but some people tend to prefer one way or the like leaning more stiff or leaning more flimsy, and I think I'm one of those people that prefers the more flimsy one because I feel like I can be more detailed with it. So with this guy, I was still able to do a really nice wing, but I do feel like the very tip, and this is being like really nitpicky, it's really just not like perfectly as pointed as this one. Like I feel like it's just slightly more rounded, but that's like being really, really nitpicky. Like this one is like a perfect zing. And then this one is just slightly more rounded. I don't know if you guys can even notice on camera, but that's at least how it looks to me. And then yes, this one is this one is like basically perfectly matte. And then this one has a little bit of shine to it, very similar to the finish of the Kat Von D liner, which is no problem. You can always just press a little bit of black eyeshadow or something over it if you want to. But I am curious as to which one of these is going to smudge on me, because literally like every makeup product in the world smudges on me. Mascaras and eyeliners and everything. The Kat Von D eyeliner actually doesn't smudge on me, so I'm actually feeling a lot more hopeful in the Too Faced Better Than Sex liner, since it reminded me a lot of the application and the formula of the Kat Von D tattoo liner. But I'm a little bit nervous about this one, but I don't know. You never know. All right, I'm gonna go apply some lashes and I will see you guys in my first check-in in just a few hours. Right now it is 4:06 p.m. We will wear this for about, I'll probably be wearing it till about midnight, and I'll go to bed around 1 a.m. But yeah, all right, let's go apply some lashes. So here's how it looks in the sunlight. This is just right after I applied it, so everything should still look the same. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked in different lighting, so far so good. Oh, and here's my cute little outfit of the day. This is from Windsor. This is my husband's, don't know where he got it. Shorts are from Forever 21, socks from Walmart, shoes from Target. What is with the, I don't know why do I do these things? What's up guys? It's time for the check-in. So far, no smudging. The only smudging that I have gotten has been from my mascara, which always happens, literally, no matter what I use. So they're wearing both the same. My thing is that I really like the application of this one with the bristles as the tip rather than the felt tip, but I am seeing like this one just is like so pitch black. It's like, I don't know, like this one's obviously still black, but this one is like pitch black, which is really, really nice. So I don't know, I'm liking both of them. It's like I almost wish that this one had this is the roller liner. I almost wish that this one just had the brush tip rather than the felt tip, which I don't know, maybe the formula doesn't allow for that, but yeah, that's where we are right now. But so far, both of them are wearing really, really well, and I've been in the kitchen cooking and cleaning and working hard, so that is that. So it could suddenly just fall apart, because sometimes your makeup just looks really good all day and then those last few hours, everything goes to hell. So hopefully that's not what happens here, but we do have a few more hours, so. What's up guys? So it is the end of the night. It is now 1:31 a.m. so I'm going to bed later than I planned. But I just wanted to come up here really quick. I am too tired right now to take my microphone and put it back in its place and change my settings and everything like that. So this is what you get. I don't even know if you guys noticed the difference. I almost filmed this outro on my cell phone and that was a little too rambly. So here is everything up close. I will say that my right side did smudge a little bit more than my left side, but honestly, I don't really feel that that's due to the eyeliner, because the eyeliner literally has not moved. Like it still looks literally perfectly the same. I mean, I think the smudging around here is just from my mascara per usual. I mean, I haven't gotten any on either side. I haven't gotten any smudging in my crease here, which sometimes that can happen with certain liners, but yeah, no smudging in here. Actually, this one has gotten a little bit of black in my waterline, so that makes me a little bit nervous, but this one has not gotten any black in my waterline, like in the corners of my eyes. I don't know, I'm kind of torn right now, because I still feel like this one, like I loved the application of it and everything, but I love the look of this one. Like it's just that perfect dark pitch black. I mean, honestly, it's such a close call. Like, you really couldn't go wrong with either one, and they're $1 different. So it's not like you're gonna be spending a substantial amount more on one or the other. I would say really, if like you wanna try either of them, try them. If you are somebody that likes the bristles, definitely do the Better Than Sex one. I have a feeling that that's gonna be the one that I reach for the most, just because the way that it applies is such a big deal to me, and it's a big deal to a lot of people. And I know that with felt tips, they tend to like start to crumble kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna be reaching for the Better Than Sex one, and then maybe just going over the Better Than Sex one with the roller liner. Like, I'll probably use them together since I own both of them, or vice versa. Like, I'll do the roller liner for the most part, and then I'll just do the Better Than Sex one for like detail work. I've done that a lot with Kat Von D. Whenever like my Kat Von D was running low, I would use another liner to just kind of get the basic shape, and then I would just go in with my Kat Von D and do like little detail work. That's probably what I'll end up doing, because I just love how black this is. I don't even know if you can tell much of a difference on camera, but in real life there is like, this one is like black and this one is like normal black, you know? If you like videos like this, go ahead and check out the foundation that I am wearing right now, which is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation. It's a comfort matte foundation. I did a wear test on it. Click it right there to see if it is good. Is it worth the hype? Because it's been circling around for a while. So go ahead and click right here, and I will see you guys over in that video. Bye! Spent literally all day cooking. All freaking day grocery shopping, cooking. Oh, my summer body better be good.